I love using VEXELS. It's one of the premier print-on-demand solutions out there. They've got print-ready designs, template after template, design after design. It's amazing. There's editable AI vectors. Again, there's tons of stuff here. I'm going to open up Trippy Human Skull. Check that out. That looks great on a coffee mug, on a t-shirt. There's editable PSD Photoshop templates that you can use as well. Let's look at little kitty here, Catch Scratch. That looks fantastic and it's editable. VEXELS is offering an absolutely incredible flash sale. It starts on Wednesday, August the 10th, and it will be live until Friday, August the 12th. Here's how it works. I'm going to put links to the VEXELS sales in the video description below. Now, just a heads up, those are affiliate links, and what that means is if you click on the link and you wind up purchasing a membership, a subscription, I would receive a small commission. Okay, so let's check out this VEXELS flash sale in a bit more detail. Here we've got the regular pricing for the Merch Plus, and the Merch Ultimate. And these are subscription plans, and you can see how much is included in each. So for example, the Merch plan gets you 100 downloads a month, 2 design requests a month, and you can use things like the t-shirt maker and the mock-up generator and so on. This is normally $261 US billed annually. There's a huge sale on, flash sale, it's $198 US. You can see here with the Merch Plus, it's $441 billed annually, and it gets you 200 downloads a month and 4 design requests a month. That's $441 billed annually, only $335. Merch Ultimate is $891 billed annually, but with the flash sale, this gets you 2,000 downloads a month and 8 design requests. Instead of $891, it's $667. Truly an amazing deal. Let's take a look at the lifetime subscriptions as well. If you have a print-on-demand company and you'd like to take it to the next level, one payment gets you full lifetime access. So for Merch Lifetime, on sale, $550. Pay it once and you're done forever. The Business Lifetime, $1,875 one-time payment, on sale for $1,500. An amazing discount. I think VEXELS is one of the ultimate print-on-demand resources. Designs by VEXELS sell. These designs on VEXELS are endless. There's thousands and thousands of different designs. There's new ones being added all the time, and they do come with complete commercial license. If you'd like to learn more about any of these plans, I encourage you to click on the link in the video description below. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I absolutely love VEXELS. I'm a proud ambassador for VEXELS. And if you're considering signing up for a membership that's going to take your print on demand to the next level, there's no better place to go than VEXELS. Flash sale on for 3 days. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye for now.